How to find your WhatsApp phone number. If you're using WhatsApp and need to quickly find the phone number associated with your account, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your WhatsApp phone number. So let's get started. First things first, open your WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Now if you're on Android, you can find the three dots in the top right corner or the settings tab. Now from the settings menu, simply tap on profile or account depending on your device. Now under the profile section, you'll see your phone number and email address. As you can see email address here, you can find your email address as well. Now to see your phone number, you can also tap on your name, and here you can simply find your phone number with your name and profile picture. This is the number you will use to register for WhatsApp. If you don't see your number right away, you can also go to privacy to find your phone number listed in the personal info section. And there you go. That's how you can easily find your WhatsApp phone number.